I got a hangover.
That would suck. Okay, we have used symbolic logic to show, that would have been good, to show conditional statements. Okay, so remember we have conditional statements, we have the conditional or the condi. We have the converse, right? Which is con B. Then we have inverse, which is in B, right? And then we have the real tough one, contrapositive. Which is the contra. Okay? Then we have some symbols. Lots of symbols in here, right? Mm-hmm. Remember these symbols. Let's see, what's this one?
If.
Just give an and. This one?
If.
This one?
Or.
This one?
Then.
This one?
Parallel. Parallel.
This one?
Perpendicular.
This one?
Intersect. Not. This could be.
This one?
Not.
Any others? Probably some more, but that'll do us, right? So it told us,
Dan?
yeah,
Congruent.
congruent,
Biconditional.
yeah. So we have congruent, biconditional, goes both ways. Okay. Now we also have similar. That messes with your mind because not and similar are the same symbol except they have nothing to do with each other. Absolutely mean the opposite.
So why don't you just flip it around basically?
You would think that they would have done that, right?
Yeah.
But they didn't. It says if two lines intersect. If two lines intersect, then
They are not parallel.
they are not parallel. They are not
That's it?
parallel. Okay? And with this, I can come up with a really nice if two lines, line 1 and line 2, right,
That makes more sense.
intersect, then they are not parallel. Not parallel. Or
Similar.
then line 1 is not parallel to line 2. And that's how we would write it in really good math, right? High level math. Okay? That's how we would write it. Now in here, we're going to make it a little easier. Because there's a lot to that, right? And if you want to take this and make your condi, con B, in B, and contra, you're going to get extra credit. Remember that? But if you want to make it a little easier for yourself, and just go, if they intersect, then they're not parallel, right? That's okay with me. That's fine. That simplifies it a little bit. That's your conditional statement. That's your con V. Right? So what I want to know is, what is a con V? Right? And the con V is when we flip these two. That's all we do. If they're not parallel, then they intersect. Okay? All right, then what is an inverse? Okay. Well, the inverse is the not of this, of the con V. So if not intersect, then not, which makes a positive, right? So it makes it parallel. So instead of not parallel, we just write parallel. Okay? Now, could you technically write not parallel? Yes. And it would be correct. Okay? It's just a double negative. No big deal. This isn't English. Okay? Alright? And then contrapositive, or your contra. The contrapositive is the knots of your con V. So it's just the knots of these. So not parallel, or meaning parallel, then not intersecting. Okay? Now, I think you have to tell me whether these are true or not true. No, you just write in the statement. So we're good. In fact, these are all true, so these would become a what we call a biconditional statement. So in other words, you would be able to write that. Okay. It could go both ways. Okay?